Want to learn how to mute someone on WhatsApp? We've all got few chatty WhatsApp group or contacts that we cannot block or do not want to keep track of them all time. Fortunately, WhatsApp has a solution in a form of muting them permanently. When you mute a contact or group on WhatsApp, you are not alerted when they send new messages. They will, however, remain in your chat list and will be able to communicate with them on regular basis. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to mute someone on WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp. Select messages you want to mute. There you will see a lot of icons. When you select the message, tap on Mute option. A pop-up will appear. Choose the option as you like and tap on OK. So that is how you mute someone on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.